Opening scene. Greetings, YouTube folks. This episode is all about the electric spin scrubber, a genuine revolution in the cleaning world. But before we delve into its features, let's discuss the setup process which goes with the installation clip in our media for. Meet the electric spin scrubber. Introducing the electric spin scrubber, your cleaning game changer. With a sleek design and powerful spin, it effortlessly banishes grime. Say goodbye to scrubbing and hello to sparkling surfaces. Your shortcut to a sparkling clean home. Installation. Setting up this scrubber is a breeze. Straight out of the box, you'll find the main unit, various brush heads, and the charging cable. Simply attach your desired brush head by matching the icons and you're good to go. Unpacking and assembling this scrubber is as straightforward as you can imagine. Right from the box, you're presented with the main unit, different types of brush heads, and the essential charging cable. Assemble the scrubber without extended hand. Assemble the scrubber with extended hand. To tweak the length, simply push the button. Brush head angle adjustable to 45 degrees. Guide to assemble and replace brush heads. Ease of use is a deal breaker for me, and this scrubber nails it. One button operation, press it, and you're in business. No complicated settings or confusing instructions, it's user-friendly, making cleaning a breeze, a piece of cake. Charging takes no time, and once fully charged, it guarantees an uninterrupted cleaning session. Usage. Now comes the exciting part, operating the electric spin scrubber. Hit the power button and enjoy the soothing hum as the motor springs into action. The ergonomically designed handle offers a relaxed grip, minimizing hand fatigue during prolonged use. Bathroom cleaning. Let's initiate with the bathroom. Using the pointed brush head, I tackled the toughest grime around tight corners with ease. The spinning function does the rough job, resulting in shiny clean surfaces devoid of harsh chemicals. Kitchen surfaces. Host. Transitioning to the kitchen, I swapped for the flat brush head. It effortlessly slides over countertops, breaking through grease and dried-on stains. The flexibility of these brush heads is a remarkable bonus. Floor cleaning. For scrubbing floors, the extension handle along with the large flat brush head is the perfect match. Be it tiles or hardwood, the scrubber's potent spin clears dirt and spills in a flash. It's like having personal floor cleaning aid. Outdoor use. What's more, the electric spin scrubber isn't restricted to indoor cleaning. Use it outdoors on patio furniture or deck surfaces. It's a total game changer for exterior cleaning chores. Cleaning time. The scrubber's battery longevity is commendable. I've managed to go weeks without the need for a recharge, making it a dependable aid for regular or occasional deep cleaning sessions. Conclusion. In a nutshell, the electric spin scrubber has effortlessly become a pivotal part of my cleaning regimen. Its user-friendly installation, enjoyable usage, and unmatched flexibility make it stand out. If you're aiming to transform your cleaning routine, this scrubber could be your new best buddy. Thumbs up from me. Please don't forget to like, hit subscribe for more reviews, and drop your comments below. Until next time, happy scrubbing.